Hey everyone, your rack systems looks answer light, but doesn't that mean it actually right? Building a rack pipeline in 2026 is the easy part. Knowing whether it's really work is about what the video is. In the next few minutes, how to measure retrievals and generation separately and building an evolution loop you can actually trust. Quick refresher. RAG means retrieve knowledge before generating. The model looks something up before it answers. Instead of guessing from memory, someone asks about the refund policy. The retriever pulls the real documents and the LLM answer from that. That's how you connect an LLM to information it was never trained on. You will see REG everywhere: customer support, internal search, legal and healthcare research, coding assistant, multi-document research. But one caution, RAG is a one candidate when the answer lives in your data, not an automatic default. Use it because you need it, not out of habit. Here's the real problem. The answer looks right, but is it? There are three ways REG quietly fails. Correct answer with the wrong context, wrong answer even with the right context, or even incomplete answer for partial context. The key takeaway, REG failures can happen before the LLM even start generating. Why is this hard? Because there isn't one thing that can break. There are four layers: retrieval, context generation, and the final answer. One bad answer doesn't mean our one bad model. It could be a bad chunking, weak embeddings, the wrong top K, or plain hallucinations. You have to isolate which layer actually failed. So don't use one score for everything. Split evaluation into three branches: retrieval, recall, precision, MRR, and DCG, generation, faithfulness, relevancy, correctness, completeness, and the system, latency, cost, reliability. Different branches, different fixes. A blend score just hides where the real problem is. Take this example. Four documents retrieved, two actually relevant, precision at K. Ask how much of what you retrieved was useful. Recall at K. Ask whether you got all the relevant evidence that exists. MRR checks how high the first relevant result ranked. And the NDCG rewards putting the best evidence at the top. Track all four together. Retrieval can be perfect and generation still fail. Retrieved doesn't mean correctly used. Check faithfulness, answer relevancy, correctness, completeness, and the cation accuracy. Here's the example to remember: the context clearly says 30 days, and the model still answer 19. Retrieval nailed it, generation didn't. To evaluate at scale, teams use LLM as a judge. It scores faithfulness, relevancy, and correctness automatically. But the judges is not truth. Judges carry their own bias, are sensitive to prompt wording, and can struggle with domain-specific correctness. The stronger approach combines the LLM judge with human review and hard automated matrices. None of these work without a real evolution dataset. Build rows and with the question, the expected answer, and what was actually retrieved versus generated. That's how you can catch a retrieval failure instantly. Cover easy question, multi-hop, ambiguous, no answer, adversarial case, no evolution dataset means no reliable RAG measurement. This is the core idea of the whole video. Evolution is a loop, not a checklist. Run your dataset evolution, retrieval, and generation, analyze failures, then change one thing at a time. Never several at once. Rerun, compare, deploy, monitor production, and feed what you learn back into the dataset and repeat forever. When an answer goes wrong, doesn't guess, walk the tree. First, was the right evidence retrieved? If not, fix the chunking or search. If yes, was the answer grounded in that evidence? If not, fix the prompt or the model. If yes, but it is still not useful, that's a query understanding or presentations problem. Once you know the failure, here's how to fix it. A basic pipeline is just embedded search and generated. An improved pipeline adds query rewriting, hybrid search, re-ranking, and citation validation. Remember, better retrievals often beats a better prompt. No amount of prompt engineering fixes great garbage context. Offline testing isn't the finish line. In production, track quality, retrieval performance, reliability, and real user signals like thumbs down and regenerations. A system can score 90% offline and still fails real users because real traffic drifts from your test set. Production monitoring is what tells you the truth. Five things to remember. Evaluate retrieval generation separately. Measure faithfulness and completeness together. Use real data sets instead of vibes. Use LLM judge carefully and monitor production continuously. Better reg is about generating more. It's about better reg isn't about generating more. It's about retrieving and using the right information. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any related doubt, please put in the comment section and enjoy.